In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove a micro SD card that fell inside the unit. Now the problem with these cameras is that there is a hole below the memory card slot, and if you don't install it in the slot and you miss the slot, the card can fall inside the camera. There's a space below the memory card bay, and if you don't enter it correctly, it can fall in. So now what you have to do is you have to remove these two screws. So I'm going to do that right now. You're going to need a precision head Phillips screwdriver to do that. Okay. Now gently remove this. It's a circuit board, so be careful. Just gently pull this up. And right there is the memory card. And there you go. That is how to remove the memory card on a smoke detector Wi-Fi camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.